Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome back. Now we are going to do an activity on IELTS speaking. Actually, we have watched a video, and while watching that video was about a two people, those who went for skating experience, but one of them fell down, and he has got his ankle injured. Now they move to hospital for actually medical checkup. So what are the expression they use? How do they say something to others, and how does one reply, and how does one say something that he's suffering from, and how does doctor examine? What are the different expression to ask doctor? What do we need to do in terms of taking care of ourselves? So these are different expressions that we're going to learn now. And this is actually an activity based on the same video that we have watched. First, let us do an activity in order to comprehend what that was. And then tomorrow we shall go through in details what these expressions are and how can we exploit these expressions to improve upon our language, our spoken language or language expressions. So here we go. Can you please read this for me? What you see on the screen, words on the street hospital scene.
Words on the street hospital scene 1. Exercises. Answer are at the end of this sport pack. Activity 1. Watch the video. Put the events in the correct order.
Okay. Yes, here we go. Watch the video and put the events in correct order. Let me just zoom it in. Can you zoom in?
Yes, you can, but I can easily read what is written on it.
Actually, just want you to read in a way that must be visible in a video as well. So what I can do here is I can copy the same thing.
Sure. I think you got the screenshot of that.
Yes, I did actually fit to width.
Yeah. Yeah, that is. Okay.
Okay. What is the now? What we are supposed to do? Actually, we are actually putting the events in correct.
Going to order.
So, what is the first?
Okay. The first one is Ash and Stephen go to the skate park.
Okay. Ash gets a phone call. This is something. Then Stephen hurts his ankle. Ash and Stephen go to hospital. Ash and Stephen go to skate park. Ash and Stephen go home. So, what do you think from A to F is the first thing they do in
E.
E.
It is E. Ash and Stephen go to the skate park.
Skate park. Say it with me. Skate park.
Skate park.
So now, what's the second activity? Do you read this for me?
Watch the video again. Add the sentences true or false. Stephen goes skateboarding regularly. The friend who phones Ash is called Paul. At home, Stephen asks Ash for some ice. Ash makes Stephen a cup of tea. Stephen asks for a chocolate biscuit. He blames Ash for his incident. Basically, all are correct, but one thing is incorrect. That is, Stephen goes to skateboarding regularly.
Goes skateboarding regularly. This is incorrect. And why is it incorrect? Can you please let?
Because in the start of the video, Stephen told that they came for the skateboarding today, but not regularly. He didn't told that they come here regularly. If they come here regularly, he have the experience of skateboarding, and he don't have that experience, and he was not much proficient or expert in that skateboarding. So that's why.
Is why you are thinking. So far as your comprehension is concerned, that is good and appreciable. But one thing we must need to understand is that if we watch audio, so would it be possible for us to just sense the same answer that we have sensed now? Because you have watched him doing a skateboarding and he fell over, and this is how you guessed that he wasn't quite good at it. So there are a few words which also give us clue. For example, let us watch the video for a moment.
Whoa, I haven't done this for years.
Yes. What has he just said now? What he spoke?
I got this for you.
Oh, he says actually, Wow, I haven't done this for years. I haven't done this for years. Wow, I haven't done this for years. Now listen it again.
Whoa, I haven't done this for years.
Wow, I haven't done this for years. I haven't done this for years. Got it?
Okay, yes, sir.
So this is something that actually gives us a clue that he actually isn't regular, and actually he doesn't do skateboarding regularly. Okay, I haven't done this for years means I haven't done this for long time. For years is actually idiomatic expression he's using in order to make us get an expression that he does not do this regularly. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Back to the activity. So Stephen goes skateboarding regularly. So it is incorrect. False.
Yes, sir.
What is the second sentence?
The friend who phones the Ash is Paul. Yes, it is right. He was Paul.
The friend who phones Ash is Paul. So you think that his name is Paul actually. So now let us listen to the video, watch that video and listen it, whether what is actually the name of the friend of Ash. So, and this is how
Maybe it will be a P or something else. Maybe I'm incorrect about that.
yes, she was actually P. He's in Paul.
Yeah, it is P. Yeah, I remember that.
So at home, Stephen asks Ash for some ice.
This is right. Some more ice when he was lying on a sofa. He asked Ash for the ice.
Ash makes Stephen a cup of tea.
Yeah.
Stephen asks for a chocolate biscuit.
Yes, he asked for the chocolate biscuit when he was trying to carry the magazine.
So does he blame Ash for his accident?
Yeah, at the end.
At the end, he blames his Ashley for accident. And Ash and Stephen get an ambulance to the hospital. Is it right?
No. He just go on a skateboard to the hospital.
That is driven by a puppy.
Yeah.
That was actually skateboard, and it was being driven by puppy. So this is our dear. This is the activity. I'm going to send you this activity along with transcription. What do I mean by transcription is, see this. Here you see. So you see that everything this book, wow, I haven't done this for years. This is a great place to skate. So you may go through this transcription once, and after going through that, first you must listen and watch that video and then do the activity. When you're done with that, you may go through this transcription once, and you can just memorize these expressions they have used. Anyhow, tomorrow we'll actually practice this with the rest of the students, and we'll try to just look in depth what these expressions are and how can we use these expressions in our daily or informal language or spoken English. Number one. Number two, I'm going to send you one more one more audio track on IELTS listening test 1. So I'm going to send you that, and you would be supposed to just do that along with the rest of the 2 audios that you have done. Okay?
Okay, sir.
That's very great. So I think these are 2 things for assignment and sufficient for today, and we shall be having our class tomorrow at the same time.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So do you have any question, dear?
No, sir, not right now. I don't have any question. I'll be going through this and then we will discuss about the questions or any problems I'm facing then.
Here, if you face any problem or any inconvenience or any query, you may just voice or text 24/7. I wish you good luck. See you tomorrow at the same time. Allah Hafiz.
Okay, sir. Allah Hafiz.